back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing a phone case from Popshine cases. I do have some other videos on this channel in regards to unboxing Popshine cases, so if you are interested after watching this video, be sure to go up to the search bar and type in Popshine cases, Brittney Bundles, and my videos should pop up. Also, I do encourage you all to follow Popshine cases on Instagram. They do have tons of pictures of the variety of accessories that they do offer. And I'm going to be unboxing a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, they do offer cases for a variety of accessories, like I mentioned, as well as different phone sizes. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So today, before we actually get into the video, I do want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Popshine cases. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And I did receive the package or the case in a package like this. I went ahead and I opened the bottom of the package because I needed to know if the package was actually for like my unboxing purposes or if it was personal. So I opened it just at the bottom, but I did not open the actual case. We're going to do that together. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside of the package that it came inside of. And it says Popshine Marble iPhone 12 Pro Max Metallic 6.7 inch Liquid Marble Pink New. I do love pink, and you know, I've gotten tons of cases before for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I typically cling toward like pink, blue, purple, black. And I even have like really enjoyed some green cases. So I like a variety of different colors. I think that it is really cool to be able to change up the cases with your phone depending on your mood or depending on where you're going, and also depending on you know, how you want the phone to feel in your hands as far as the grip. I do want to say this about Popshine cases before I open the case. They do have phenomenal customer service. I've done multiple videos for Popshine cases, and every time that I have reached out with a question or concern, they have replied back to me. They've replied very respectfully, very promptly, and then they also don't take too long to ship. They went ahead and shipped it out, I believe, at the end of last week, and I literally got the package in, I believe I don't know if it was the next day or a few days because I didn't check my mailbox the next day. But I typically don't go more than 2 days without checking my mailbox. So from the time that I went ahead and placed it to today, it was there, and it couldn't have been more than 3 business days. So Popshine cases definitely is very prompt and efficient with their customer service and also delivery. So let's go ahead and open up the case and see what it looks like. I'm excited. If you've watched any of my unboxing videos on this channel in regards to phone cases, you know I really love phone cases. This makes me so excited. So this is what the case looks like. I love their packaging. It's so pretty. It says Popshine on the front, and then on the back it just shows you which case you got. All right, let's go ahead. I actually have, okay, I thought it was 2 cases, but it's 1 case, and it's one of those cases where you have a front and also a back. So it's going to be really sturdy, which I love. Okay, so this is what we're looking like after I went ahead and opened up the box. It has a card here with the instructions. It says installation guide. And then on the flip side, it says Popshine. It says, thank you for your purchase and support. We hope you love our products more than just pretty. And then you can keep in touch on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also YouTube. So if you want to watch more videos and for some reason you can't find more videos for Popshine cases under Popshine Brittney Bundles, then go ahead and just search Popshine and see what other videos come up. You'll be able to see some other reviews and things like that. So let's go ahead and open the first part. It says screen protector or not, you decide. Extra front frame included to go bare or on any third-party screen protector of your choice. So I can choose to wear this or not. I don't necessarily have to use this. Okay, so let's go ahead and place this on the front. So this is what it looks like on the front. And it's a really pink, like soft pink I believe there's even some, it's kind of like a shimmer. It's like a soft pink shimmery color. I don't think this video is going to do it justice as far as the color, but it is really, really pretty. And it's very neutral as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open the second part of the case. And the second part looks like this. And it looks so, so pretty. I've gotten other phone cases like this before with this design, and I absolutely love this design. I don't believe that you can have too many of this design because it just looks really pretty. It looks really elegant, sophisticated, and fun. Every time I go out and I'm wearing one of these cases with this design, I have this design in like purple, and I believe I have it in blue as well. But every time I go out with this case, I get a compliment. Someone is saying, I like your phone. A lot of times when I go to the nail shop and my phone is just sitting on the table, I do get tons of compliments on the cases. So these cases are truly beautiful, not just on camera, but in person. And again, it's kind of like that soft pink neutral color. And then it also has gold to push it up a notch. So I think it's really, really pretty. Now, it is wrapped pretty well in plastic. And you can choose how you want to wear it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take this foam out of here. So, I can go ahead and wear the case like this. Feels really, really good, really, really soft. And it's definitely sturdy. Like I feel like if I drop this, it is definitely going to be protected. Now I don't have a screen cover over my phone, which I should. But if you do want that added protection to protect the actual screen of your phone, that's where you would go ahead and replace the initial outer cover that we put on first with the cover that I just showed you all. So I'm going to do a demonstration just to show you all. Let me go ahead and take the back part off. Someone did ask me before if it's easy to take the cases off, and yes, it is. I mean, it's not too easy where it's going to just pop off if it drops, but it's easy enough where you can even, you know, take the case off and maneuver the case with long nails. Like it's not that difficult. It's very seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off of the screen protector, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off, the initial one without the screen protector, just kind of like the bumper. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one on and put it on the right way. Okay, so it kind of goes on the exact same way. The only difference is it's actually, there's a protective plastic shield that's covering the screen this time instead of just the sides and the back. And then you go ahead and you pop the back on, and voila. So now the front part is protected as well as the back. It is really, really comfortable in your hand. There are some cases that are not comfortable. I'm sure if you purchased cases before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There are some cases that are just way too, it just lacks that grip. And there are some cases that are just too bulky. They just don't feel like they fit comfortably in your hands. But this case definitely feels comfortable, even with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is a larger phone, so it's one of my, I guess, pet peeves, you can say, to get a case that's super bulky already with a phone that's pretty large. However, there's a time and a place for different cases. If I'm going on a hike or something like that, then I may want a super bulky case. But if I'm just going out, I do want my phone protected, but I still want it to look nice, and I still want it to be very convenient and comfortable when I am using it. When I'm texting, I work from my phone, I take pictures with my phone. You know, my phone is like my buddy. So I want it to look very nice, and I want it to be easily usable, you know? So I like the fact that these cases are not too hard to put on. They're not too hard to take off. I like the fact that the case looks really, really pretty as far as the design, the colors. It's a soft pink color. I also like options. So I like the fact that with this case, you do have an option of wearing this part with it or wearing the protective shield that I have on it now. And again, it does not feel flimsy at all. It doesn't feel like a cheap case. It doesn't feel like my phone's going to crack if I drop it. Now, of course, I'm not gonna, intentionally drop my phone or anything like that, but I do feel confident that if it were to drop, that it would be protected. And also, even if you're not someone that drops your phones, because I have gotten people that have said to me, hey, I don't drop my phone, so I don't need a case. You may want to reconsider that, because if you're using a purse or a bag and you throw your phone in there, there's a chance that your phone can be scratched by keys. I can tell you from personal experience that I have put my phone in my purse thinking that it was completely safe and tucked away. And then when I pulled it out, my screen was scratched from my keys. Or my screen or the back was scratched from something else in my purse, whether it was an earring or I don't know, something else that I had in my purse that I wasn't really thinking about when I put my phone inside. So there are so many things that can happen with your phone. There may be someone that's using your phone and they may accidentally drop it, and you just want to make sure that you're keeping your phone protected. So I do want to give another shout out to Popshine cases. This case is super beautiful. I love this design. If you watch some of my other videos with Popshine cases, you will see similar designs, and in every video, I truly, truly love this design. It's so pretty and timeless. And I also love this color. It's like soft pink, little white, gold. It's like that marble design, and it's very neutral. So I don't have to change this case with every outfit. I mean, even if I'm not someone that changes my case like with every outfit either, but I'm just saying that if you were, or if you are someone that likes to make sure that your cases look like they are going with your outfit, this is something that is neutral, even though it's pink. So if you do like pink, and if you are looking for a neutral, protective, sturdy phone case that's not too bulky, definitely check out Popshine cases. I do want to thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.